What's up, everybody? Again, welcome back to my vlog. It's your boy, the Atomic Goofball, and today is a fine day. I've got my wheels. I've got my carbon fiber hood. Yo, here he is, the man, my boy.
What's up? My name is Andrew. Call me Avo. It's just the first initial to last letter name, Avo.
There they are. My new wheels. Steiners VFF 103s. Man, these things are crazy. What's up, everybody? We are outside today, and actually we are going to do a photo shoot with the very talented photographer Jan and my girlfriend, who is the wonderful, beautiful model, and the Goofzilla. So we're gonna just get some candid behind the scenes shots of the photo shoot. Boom pow. We are in Ellicott City, historic Ellicott City. I haven't been here in quite a while. There's a courthouse back there. Back there, if you can I get it? There, boom. Let's get some footage. Whoa. Wow. Alright, so we are at one of my favorite places. It is K-Pot in Rockville. And here you can get all you can eat Korean barbecue. You can get all you can eat hot pot. My favorite is the hot pot, the Szechuan broth. You got the barbecue grill right here. You've got the individual hot plates right here for the broth. And yeah, the ambiance is cool. They got the clouds.
I really dig the clouds. The clouds are really cool.
Yeah, the clouds are
very Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball.
Yeah.
Let me see some Dragon Balls. Some Kamehameha action.
Not in public. Not in public.
Come on, Super Saiyan level 2.
No.
Oh, we get that later after he finishes drinking.
Yeah, after I get a little drinking.
After a few beers? Yeah.
Danny's trying to get me drunk. He's been pouring soju into my cup, and I told him that I have to be up at 4 a.m. for work.
Are you drunk?
I'm a little buzzed. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You can work though.
I could work.
Do you guys think that he could take another shot? Yes?
Comment below.
Comment below.
Do you think I can take one more shot, 2 more shots, or 3 more shots?
I think they say that you can at least take one more shot.
Alright, I'll take one more.
Can you take another shot?
Goofball subscribers.
Yes.
Salute.
Salute. Oh.
I needed this. I needed this. Alright, I can't work tomorrow.
Is he calling out of work tomorrow?
Will said he's calling out of work tomorrow.
Yeah.
He'll never know. Give me your glass, Jack.
Why? I have some.
Alright, well, let me fill it up.
Here we go.
Hold on, hello?
Oh shit.
Take this shot while you talk. Hey! Little does he know.
I know. What do we do?
I don't have to work tomorrow. So, Danny, question is,
So,
what's next for the fucking Goofzilla?
Okay.
Will, you guys already know.
I mean, I already know.
You already know. But should I tell it now? Or should I keep it secret?
Give him a little preview. Nothing crazy.
More carbon fiber. guy. Yo, you can pull it up if you want to.
Late as usual, you know. Quick little fit.
Dude, look at that.
Plexiglass? It's completely dirty.
We're gonna wash it now. Though.
Plexiglass? I am like.
Yo, what's up? Where your clean markets at?
Oh, they're in the.
Let's put them on. Let's put them on. Yeah. This is my boy Mike's GTR, and what we're doing is we are gonna do what I did to mine. Got rid of these
I'm actually looking.
amber side markers.
Another project.
Put these babies on right here. That's not the right one. This is the right one.
I want to do like
Take these out. The bubble wrap. Ooh, ah.
Twin turns 240.
Let's do it.
Oh, it is like a long time ago, probably 2014.
Really, just pop it off?
Only made like 400.
Is that simple?
414.
Plug and play.
But
Wow.
the car, like, it was gutted with 2 seats.
That makes such a big difference,
We
dude.
didn't need much.
Yeah, dude, wait till you see it. Especially on his, it's gonna look so good.
You gut it, you fucking throw a roll cage. You don't even have to need a fucking passenger seat if you wanted to.
So this is a present that that I gave to Mike, because he's my new GTR bud, and
Out of here,
With twins on it.
boom,
Hey, it makes such a big
keeping up with
difference.
these.
that.
That's such a big difference.
Yeah, that's super good.
Look how.
Especially like coming off of this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That looks
Let me do the other side.
way to go.
My bad.
Dude, this should be OEM.
Kaiju Squad. I'm trying.
Man,
So I'm thinking about creating a group for us and calling us the Maryland Kaijus.
It's all GTRs.
No, you guys too.
Because
I mean,
we
like-
can't roll you guys.
You think Godzilla runs around by himself? No, he's got Rodan. He's got Anguirus. He's got Mothra. He's got Monster.
Mechagodzilla.
He's got Monster Island. He's got homies. You know what I'm saying? We got homies.
Looks like it was on a fucking like Matchbox car or some shit.
What?
Looks like a window for like a.
That's one of my old Transformers I threw
Okay.
away.
All right. Like, I look want to black mine.
Homie, I got your bulbs in there and your old.
This. What the?
Hey, does anybody want to eat crabs? Yo, they look like they're ready to eat.